Okay, because it's the first time to do this, so I make it introduce to you. You can see this is a monitor and channel 2 connect the ECU's cable. Okay. Connect where? Camera. This is camera. Connect this ECU's camera in. This is alarm. We connect the ECU's connector. Okay, and this is a radar. You have see they have A, B, C, D. You can connect what you want to connect. It's no problem. Yeah, to connect like this. And now we make the power. Okay, we have make a label for all orange power positive to connect together. This is monitor's power, and this is ECU's power. We make the orange positive, okay, make it together, and this is alarm power. Making the all AC's power together. We test at office, so we can use put together like this. Okay, we connect the GND. This is monitor's GND. We make a blue label. This is ECU's GND, and this is alarm GND. Connect together. Okay, and then we make the power on. Now we test. You can see they have 3 cables. Okay, if your radar and camera connect install at the left, you make this cable for the left signal. Okay, and in that cable install the right. Okay, and we test the sound for you.
Watch out, this vehicle is turning.
You can see
Watch out, this vehicle
we
is
have
turning.
distance,
Watch out, this
and
vehicle
the
is
sound
turning.
will
Watch out, this vehicle
about
is turning.
20
Watch
seconds
out, this vehicle is
return.
turning. Watch out, this vehicle is turning. Watch
Okay,
out, this vehicle is turning. Watch out, this vehicle is turning. Watch
this
out,
is
this vehicle is turning.
okay. This is a reverse signal, and then this is monitor's reverse signal. You can put it together, but your camera must install reverse. Okay, and you can see if you connect
Watch out, this
it
vehicle
have
is turning.
distance.
Watch out, this vehicle
Yeah.
is turning.
So also we make a cable to you to test. You can connect the ACC ignition. It will be better and it will be easy to you. Okay, thank you.